Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to Body Love Chronicles, the podcast where we celebrate every inch of who we are. I'm your host, and today we're talking about body empowerment and love because you deserve to feel at home in your body just as it is right now. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale. Hold and exhale. Feel the air, fill your lungs, feel your heart beating, your body carrying you through this moment. Isn't that incredible? Your body is not just something you see in the mirror, it's your constant companion, your strongest protector, your most loyal friend. It heals, it grows, it adapts, all without you even asking it to. But I know it's not always easy to love what we see. We live in a world that profits from our insecurities. But what if just for today, you choose to shift the narrative? What if instead of criticizing yourself, you offer gratitude? Take a moment to think of one thing you appreciate about your body. Maybe it's your hands. Maybe it's all about its capability of creating, holding, and expressing love. Maybe it's your legs carrying you through adventures, big and small. Or your skin, a living tapestry of your life's story. Your worth has never been and never will be tied to a number, a shape, or a size. Your worth is in your laughter, your kindness, your resilience. It's in the way you show up for yourself and others. It's in the love you give and receive. Let's try something together. I want you to say these words out loud or in your heart if that feels better. I am enough. I am worthy of love and kindness. My body is a gift, not an ornament. I choose to treat myself with compassion. Healing your relationship with your body is a journey, not a destination. Some days you feel harder than others, and that's okay. But every time you choose self love, even in the smallest way, you reclaim a piece of yourself that the world tried to diminish. So drink water like it's a love letter to your body, rest without guilt, move in ways that bring you joy, wear clothes that make you feel like art. Speak to yourself as you would to a dear friend. You are worthy of a life filled with peace and love, starting with the love you give yourself. Thank you for sharing this space with me today. Remember, you are radiant, you are powerful, and your body is a beautiful part of your story. Until next time, be gentle with yourself. You deserve it. Take care and keep embracing yourself. And if you'd like more contents like this, follow Psychoeducator PH for more mental health and love resources.